Hello guys, we are back with another video. So we are going to a movie today, which is Fast X. So let's see how a Napoleon theater looks like. So the cost of the ticket is 5.5 euro, which is 500 rupees in INR. So it's okay. So we have reached the theater.
Lying hard to find, you son bitch.
So we've seen a Fast X movie. So I'm here with my friend, so he'll give you a review.
So the movie was nice. It was very good. The action was very good. The emotions were very good. Can't wait for the next part. It was very good, directed very well.
Okay, coming to the Naples theater, it's okay. Compared to the Indian theaters, these are so bad. But to watch a movie, it's fine. This is a local theater, so I don't know, maybe because of it the theater is not good. There are some UCI cinema theaters also, maybe they can be good. This is the last train to Puzzoli, so we are running. So finally we have reached Puzzoli.